Nandito ako sa Tanawan, Batangas, and today, papasukin natin ang isang palasyo na mala Disneyland ang dating. Dito tayo sa J. Castles. Tara, pasukin na natin.
Going to J. Castles is easy. From SLEX going to Star Tollway, take the second exit or the Tanawan City exit. You will never get lost after the toll gate with all of the J. Castles signing until you get to your destination. You can park your car inside with a parking fee of 50 pesos.
So, nandito na tayo sa labas ng J. Castles. Papasok na tayo sa entrance. Bibili muna ako ng ticket.
Entrance for the Castle Studios is 799 pesos and for the Castle Pop is 799 pesos also. You can also get the bundle for only 1,499 pesos. Kakain muna ako, gutom na.
Ito yung kanilang blue bacon cheeseburger.
Here in the intro room, they will brief you with the do's and don'ts inside the castle. You are also required to remove your shoes and socks since your feet will get wet in the first room. They will take care of my shoes naman eh.
Para siyang flooded. Woo! Oh, lumalalim. Oh.
For the new generations, this is what the telephone booth looks like before. May 3.25 ba kayo dyan? Hello naman dyan. Para kayong nasa Back to the Future when you're inside this room. Don't worry guys, walang pating or piranha dito.
din silang socks. Exclusive for J. Castle. Parang nakakano.
This is the Infinity LED room. Grabe, nakakatuwa. Ang daming liwanag sa paligid. Hindi mo alam kung nasaan ka. Para kang nakalutang.
Grabe, nakakalula dito. Buong paligid ang daming LED lights. Whether sa taas, yan, or sa baba, or dito sa sides.
This is the UFO laser room. Para kasing may UFO above na gusto kayong kunin. Mag-e-enjoy kayo sa dancing lasers dito. Para akong nasa disco house. Pwede kayong sumayaw if you want.
Uy, ano tawag sa room na to?
Cosmic projection room.
Cosmic projection room.
Takbo ka doon.
O, di ba? Parang ang free gumalaw dito.
Andito tayo sa Crystal Chair Room.
Napagod ang bata ang isip.
Parang forest.
Guys, nagkalat ang CCTV dito. Nandito ang kanilang main control. Kaya, behave. Parang papunta ito sa ibang dimension. Ano kaya meron sa dulo? Back to reality na. Explore naman natin yung susunod na castle. Ang galing ng pagka-paint sa ceiling. Ang hirap kaya mag-paint ng nakatingala tapos ang laki-laki pa. Here in the intro room is another briefing for the do's and don'ts inside the castle. Nakakatuwa itong mga characters na kasama ni Jay.
Meron siyang dollar.
Well done to Jay, theater.
Ito naman ang Astro Ballroom. Ang daming inflatable balls dito with different colors and sizes. Para kayong nasa space. Well, parang lang. Kasi hindi ako lumulutang. Mabigat daw kasi ako.
And then the carousel.
And here naman are some of the rides that you can enjoy. Siyempre, hindi ko palalagpasin itong drop tower ride. Grabe, solong-solo ko itong lugar. Nakakatuwa, para akong nasa sarili kong playground.
Ay, tapos na pala.
Of course, try ko din itong carousel.
Naglaro ang bata. Akala ko din ang makakasakay dun sa ride. Kasi malaki yung chunk. Pero sabi ko, pwede yan.
You can take pictures, please watch your step.
Welcome to Light Beach. You can touch and play. Please watch your steps. Take your time to take pictures and video to have fun and play. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Ano po ginawa ka?
Happy afternoon, sir! Welcome to J Express!
Para naman tayong nasa loob ng spaceship. Saan kaya ako dadalhin ito?
Meteors are chunks of rock and metal that burn up as they enter Earth's atmosphere. They're like shooting stars, except way bigger and way journey through time and space to destinations unknown. Welcome to the disco era.
Parang mapapasayaw ako nito ah.
Paradise of disco balls and dance floors. Let's keep the party going. Feel the rhythm of the disco beat as we dance our way through this unforgettable journey through time and space.
O, diba? Tama na muna. Needs for practice. Ang sarap mag-picture at video dito. Mas ma-enjoy nyo kung video because of the dancing lights and sounds. Going down, you can slide down or you can use the stairs aside. Ito naman ang game room.
Good afternoon. Welcome to that room. You can play the ball in the top, but please remove your shoes and leave it at the top in place
And this is the giant rubber ducky room. Grabe, this is my favorite. Hindi pwedeng hindi ako lalangoy dito sa loob ng pool of balls. Kailangan ko munang tanggalin ang aking sapatos at mga gamit ko sa loob ng bulsa.
Oh!
They disinfect all the balls and rubber ducky inside this pool one by one. So you can be assured na malinis ito.
Breaststroke. Butterfly. Backstroke.
Kailangan bilangin pala itong mga bola kung ilan, ano? Kaya, gano'ng katagal ko kaya mabibilang to, no? So, 48,000 yung balls and then 5,000 yung rubber ducky na maliit. Ito, yung ganito.
Matatanaw nyo rito ang Taal Volcano at ang Tagaytay sa other side. Nagutom ako sa ginawa ko, kaya snack time muna.
Oh!
Kailangan ko kumain ng classic hotdog. Guys, ayan ang may-ari ng J Castles. Ayan si Jay. Siya yung sumalubong sa akin kanina sa entrance. Jay din kaya start ng totoong name ko. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!